Good evening, viewers of Pinoy Kiddie Programmers. So we are going to improve the way with which we present our videos, and as a result, we have ordered this package from Lazada. This is a green screen package. This is an Elgato green screen, and what we are going to do is to unbox this. So the box is a little messed up with its uh, what you call this one, bubble wrap. Okay, so I'll just use scissors in some parts. So excited in having this green screen because it would allow me to uh, just show my uh, videos as if I'm floating into the screen of my laptop or to the screen of my computer, wherein, for example, I'm recording the screen of the MLAC or whatever tool I'm using, or recording in my screen, in my computer. I would appear as if I'm floating in that screen. Everything in the green screen would be converted to the video uh, of my computer. So that's the point there. You would not appear like a rectangular box wherein the portion of your camera is a rectangular box. Only you would appear. There's no more rectangular box because of the green screen. Okay, this is a big equipment actually. Just have to remove first the bubble wrap for us to open the box. Okay, it's very bubble wrap, very heavily. Okay, I have removed the bubble wrap here. So you guys there, very difficult to remove the bubble wrap because this is a huge thing we got here. I'm not being careful with the box here because it's not intended to be sold later. This would be kept by me as long as I'm video vlogging. Okay, so this is actually, this would be used not only for the Pinoy Kiddie Programmer vlog. We have a couple of vlogs, and one of those is a chess channel. We're vlogging about uh, the games of elite chess players, and this would also be used in the vlog wherein I show programming tutorials. We're trying to improve our content, so we ordered this green screen from Lazada. This is an Elgato type green screen. Okay, this is should actually, this cost us, including shipping, this cost us 9,814 pesos, if I got it right. But it's more than 9,800 pesos. Okay, the bubble wrap is off. Okay, what we have here, I'll remove this thing, just use scissors. Okay, so we're off with the uh, bubble wrap and the other parts that secures the box. So it's fairly easy to remove on this part. And I think is this some clue? Is this some clue which is upside down? Okay, I think we have to uh, put it in the right uh, direction, or it should be like this because this is the label. You can see here it says Elgato. So this is an Elgato green screen. It's long and it's very heavy. Okay. The the price is actually 9,599, but due to shipping, it cost me more than 9,814. There is no promo because this was not ordered during the December 12 promo. I ordered this about, I think, December 23 or 24. No, 20, yeah, 24. And it arrived 2 days ago, so maybe that's December 28 or 29, 2020. Okay, this is from IT World. Okay, and this is the label of whom this box should be given to. Okay, so we have it here. This is the Elgato green screen. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. I'm just gonna run it around. It's fairly heavy. Okay. Oops. I should be careful not to hit my speaker. It's also kind of costly for me to damage my speakers. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Yeah. Oh, this is the Elgato green screen. Benedict, could you assist me here? I'm calling my kid, but it's not going down. Maybe he doesn't know that I'm doing an unboxing video. Okay, so this is the Elgato green screen that we have here. Okay, so it says, caution, use the camera handle. The central handle to extract or retract the screen. Gently raise the bar while keeping it level and avoid touching the fabric. Yeah, uh, this is a good product because the fabric of the green screen is really flat and you should not touch it because it may get damaged and it may ruin your video. Okay, so I'm trying to open it now. Oops. This is a very exciting moment for me. This is my first green screen actually. Okay, yeah, it's heavy. Yeah, this is a heavy product because this is a quality product from Elgato. Okay. So I think I'm gonna open it somewhere. What part should go? Maybe here. Okay, it's here. It's open. We open it here. Ooh. You there? Keep on watching my unboxing video. Okay, this is a very important product for me. Okay, I got it out, but for me to show you the green screen, I should open it like this. Okay, and I should show you how it's open. Okay, like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. It's there. So all you have to do is raise it up. Okay, that's it. And you should not touch the fabric. Okay, so how do this thing stand? Okay, if you want to put it down, you just put it like that. Okay, and then it's sealed. Okay, raise and retract. So very simple, guys. You just have to raise it all the way up, and you should put it somewhere up, and then raise it up. I think it should support itself. Yeah. No, no, no. I think you have to put the support somewhere because it would fall. Okay, you should have a support somewhere for the green screen. Maybe you should put it in a wall. So okay, that's it. I hope you saw the video wherein I raised the green screen. Okay. So you see this, guys. This is a very nice product. It's very easy to set up and to green screen, and to store it again. Just push it down, raise it. There is a central handle. You raise it up to where you want to put this, and then you raise it down. I think there should be some support. If you could support this thing here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is a continuation of the video that was cut. Actually, when I raised the green screen, it fell. Luckily, it was not damaged. I thought it's gonna stand just like this. Uh, so lesson for you here: read the manual. Actually, read the manual, even if you don't read it. In the picture, it shows that there is some support that you could use so that this green screen would not fall. I did not care to look at this. So what you have to do first is have this support uh, done like this, and one for the other side, then another one for the other side. So if you have this support, then the green screen will not fall. Then open this again, okay, and like that, and you can have it like this without any problem, since the green screen is fully supported. Okay, so there's uh, some pictures on the Christmas tree which I have here. So again, put this back again. If you want to put it back, just do it like this. It's very easy to store, and do it like that, and it's very okay. It would not fall. But it says in the manual that it should not be. Uh, there should be no electric fan because it may affect your recording. Actually, there's some sort of what you call this, because when it fell, it hit the Christmas tree. So there's some little distortion here. But I think it won't affect my video because I would just be sitting like this, and my background would not go all the way to the top. But it says in the manual, do not iron the green screen. You shouldn't iron. In Tagalog, huwag mong planchahin because minor what do you call this? It says in the manual. It says here mm, do not iron the fabric, small wrinkles. So I could interpret this as small wrinkles will smooth out after a while. So maybe because there's some glitters because it fell on the Christmas tree. That might affect my windscreen quality. Okay, so it says here that small wrinkles will iron out or smooth out for a while, because maybe the reason it would smooth out because when you put it back there, the this equipment in here, uh, pulls it, will smooth out those wrinkles. So that's it. That's my unboxing of my Elgato green screen. So you want to put it back, just the central handle should be pushed down, and then you get this back like that. Okay, and you can have it like this, and then you're gonna put this back so that you can store it properly. So I'm gonna be trying this green screen tonight in one of my videos. And when you store it, just put it back in the plastic, so to avoid any what you call this uh, dust from entering your green screen. And if you want to transport this, then I'm not sure you really need to have this. Maybe for long-term storage, you are not gonna use it regularly. Maybe you need this box. Okay. So for now, I just put everything back in the box. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.